Google Veo 3 is one of the most popular AI video generators available right now. And yes, you can still use it for free. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to access it right now. Completely free, no subscription, no catch, no fluff, just few simple steps and 3 legit ways that actually work. Let's dive in. Number 1. Google Flow. Simply go to your favorite search engine and write Google Flow and click on the first result. If this is the first time to access this platform, this pop-up window is gonna show up. Simply click Next, then scroll and accept the privacy policy. From here, you will notice that you have an option to create a new project. Click on that button, and now I want you to know that Google Flow gives you 50 credits per day, which is very good in my opinion, because that simply allows you to make around 90 videos per month. But anyway, if you click on the settings right here, you will notice that you can switch between the video models, but I prefer to keep it on the OmniFlash. You can also change the image model and the number of generations. Anyway, click Save, and now is the time to test it out. First, I want to let you know that you can generate a storyboard image like this before you create your video. And in my opinion, this is much better than creating the video directly, because it gives you an idea about how the video is gonna look like. And this way, you have the chance to edit it before the actual generation of the video. I'm saying that because I'm gonna write a prompt to generate the video directly right now, and this is not the best way to do it. But anyway, I'm gonna write the prompt right now and click Approve to start the generation process. It took it 50 seconds to make this video. Let's watch it together. Compared to my prompt, this is not bad at all. My expectations were lower than this, to be honest. But anyway, we already tested the text-to-video feature, and it took 15 credits from our 50 credits. Let's try the image-to-video feature this time. Click on the plus icon, and then the Upload button. After uploading, click on the 3 dots and choose Animate. It's gonna add the image to the prompt, so write the prompt and hit Generate. Approve it and wait for it. Wow, it took like 50 seconds exactly like before. Anyway, let's watch it together. And now is the time for number 2 on our list. And this is gonna be Google Vids. Simply search for Google Vids and click on the first result. Hit Sign In, then choose your Google account. Now you can access the Veo 3 video generation tool from the side menu, and you have 2 options. Create from scratch, which is basically the text-to-video feature, and animate an image, which as you can tell, the image-to-video feature. Anyway, let's try the Create from Scratch option first and hit Generate. Let's watch it together. Well, I'm not gonna complain, my prompt is not the best, but let's try the other option and see how it goes. Wow, it's really good. Now, let's move on to number 3, SnapGen AI. We're gonna do the same as before. We search for SnapGen AI and we click on the first result. We need to sign up first, but don't worry, the sign-up process is very easy. Click Register with Google, choose your account, click Continue, and that's it. You are logged in. Now to use Veo 3 for free, click on the Veo option right here. Write your prompt. It takes 0 credits as you can see, hit Generate, and wait for it. Let's watch it together. It's very nice as you can see, but the problem is, this method only supports text-to-video feature. If you try to use the image-to-video feature, it's gonna ask you to subscribe first. So put this in mind when you use this platform. And that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.